And I got something to say. Good dog leaving Captain Globin. I got something to say. I got something to say. Sammy! By the way, Sammy! Hey, Sam. Come here, Sam. Sam, come here.
I'm not going to get up and see a disaster in the house, am I?
No, Sammy.
Nope.
Sam, come here. Come on. Come on, Sam. Come up here. Here, come here, Sammy. Go get. Hey, we're doing a video with our dog. I'm moving. Okay, I guess we're not doing a video with our dog. Yep. Instead, I'm going to show you my beanie ball. And I'll try and go get my beanie ball. Oh, wait, I have it. My spear. His sword. And that's his on-strike sword. And then this is my beanie ball. Isn't he cute? It's Blackhawks. I love the Blackhawks. And if you roll him, here, I'll show you. I think, here, get out of the way, so I think that's it. See? If you roll him, Jesse, get out of the way. If you roll him, he's supposed to stay up on his feet. Because there's sand on the bottom of this. This is where there's sand. So there's one of our dogs. Here's one of the dogs. Spectre, come on. Come on, Spectre. Come here. Come on, stop. She's not coming. Other dog we were talking about Sam. There's Spectre. Yeah, there's Spectre. Okay. Yeah?
Why?
Do you feel like it?
Not putting it on YouTube.
No. Bye. No. We're gonna watch some Johnny Bravo. Okay. Let's watch Johnny Bravo. Okay, you ready? You ready? They can't see. It's very bright. Really bright? Okay, tell me if you guys can't really see. Here's some cow and chicken. Yeah. Cow and chicken. We are watching some cow and chicken. Cow and chicken. Cow and chicken.
Calm down, seriously.
Okay.